here we go, super hard. Ah! Yo, man, this is what I'm talking about. I don't get it. Oh my God. I don't fucking get it at all. It's so crazy. You guys are really skilled at this because I shoved this in there, and maybe it is. Maybe it's a Pix. I don't know. I'm getting some new ones soon. But I have a strong feeling if you gave me, or if you gave somebody a bobby pin, okay, for instance, you just gave them a bobby pin, you conformed it into this shape, gave them some wire or whatever to have a tension wrench, they'd be able to walk in here, and they'd be able to pick it. I have a very strong feeling that would be the case. Unlike me, where I'm just like, what the hell is going on in here? I feel everything, okay? At first, don't get me wrong, at first, I didn't feel anything. I felt nothing. But now I'm starting to feel the inside of the lock, which is great. But the fact of the matter is, y'all make it look really, really easy. And it's really not that easy. I mean, dude, even when I'm just like numbingly blind going in here now, like I said, before I numbingly went in there blind and I'm just like, boom, boom, boom. Got it. Got him. And the lock popped open. There's nothing now. Look, never mind. Never mind. I can't say that there's nothing now, okay? Because I didn't just pop it open. Yeah. Woo! But I still have no fucking idea what happened. I love this. Okay, so you pop it open, you keep that shit in there. Oh, okay, it's hot. Let's see if I can do that again. I highly doubt it. But it's like, you're going in and you're like, woo! Just all willy-nilly, woo! 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 Nope. But like I said, I could pop it open willy-nilly. Yeah. I just can't pop it open every fucking time I want to. So, we'll see if I can. Because willy-nilly is not the name of the game. Being able to, when I want to, is the name of the game. Woo!